Okay team, here we are back in 3ds Max. So once again we've got our 4 views, and to go to the full view it's Option W. Option W is the keyboard shortcut to go to the full view. So stop your video, go and do that now. Okay, here we are back again. We've got our full screen view. Alright, first thing I want to do is make sure that I'm on the Create menu. So here it is here, the Create, and then I'm also on Geometry. So that's the 2 left-hand boxes, and then I want to come down here and make a plane. Now it doesn't matter, draw it out, and it doesn't matter how big you make it, because once you've made it, we want to go down here to the parameters, and we want to make this plane 50 meters by 50 meters. Press return and stop the video. Go and do that now. Okay, excellent. We're back again. Brilliant. So we've made our plane 50 meters by 50 meters. We're going to right click and we're going to scroll the wheel out so that we've got our plane sitting there like that on our screen. Stop the video. Go and do that now. Excellent. Here we are. Next thing we're going to do, back in the Create menu, we're going to create a camera. We're going to create a target camera, and then we're going to drag the camera out and put the little target in the middle of our plane. Stop the video, go and do that now. Come back when you're finished. Excellent, we've made a camera, brilliant. Next thing we're going to do is back still in the Create menu, we're going to create a light. We're going to make sure we change this to standard, and we're going to create an Omni light. I'm going to come and click in the middle, and then I'm going to use the W keyboard command to move, and I'm going to drag that light up so it's lighting my scene. Stop the video, go and do that, come back when you're finished. Excellent, we've got that far. Next bit is we're going to go up here to our views. I'm going to go Viewport Configuration. I'm going to go to Layout, and I'm going to choose 2 views. The left hand one I'm going to click where it says Top, and I'm going to make it Camera 1. And the right hand one I'm going to click where it says Front, and I'm going to make it Perspective. I'm going to say OK, and now I'm just going to change where this one says Wireframe. I'm going to change it to Smooth and Highlights. And now when you go Option W, you should have 2 views, and when you click on the camera, when you move the camera, you should be able to see what the camera sees in the view on the left. So that is where we want to get to now. Stop the video, go and do that for me now. Alright, excellent, you're back. Alright, cool. So now what we want to do is we want to start making some geometry and making our alien planet surface. So I'm going to click on the plane. I'm going to go F4 on the keyboard to go edge mode. And I'm going to go to my modify tab, and I'm going to make more segments. So instead of being 4 length segments and 4 width segments, I'm going to make it 11 and 12, 10, 10, 8, 8. It doesn't really matter as long as you've got more. Stop the video, go and get that far. Excellent. Alright, we're cranking. So now I'm going to right click on this plane, and I'm going to go down to the bottom here and go Convert to, and I'm going to convert it to an editable poly. And you'll know you've done good if you've got these red selections now. If I click on the vertex, that means I can grab individual vertices and I can pull them up or down and make some pointy mountains. If I go polygon, that means I can click on whole faces and pull them up and down. And if I go edge, edge will let me grab a whole edge and move it up or down. Alright, so you can now have some fun and make some mountains and valleys on your project. Okay, stop the video and go and do that for me now. Excellent. Okay, so we've made a few mountains and valleys. It's not very exciting yet, but we're going to try and make it a little bit more exciting. So I'll just pull a little bit more geometry, and then I can make this a bit more interesting by putting some modifiers. So if I want to make it smooth and like nice rolling hills, I could use the Turbo Smooth modifier. And by going up, my hills start to become nice and round. Don't go over 2. Keep it, if you go too many, you start getting lots and lots, your computer will run out of memory. So keep it down around 2. 1 or 2 is better. Now, that's fantastic if you want smooth hills, but some people mightn't want that. So if I just go in the list, I can click on my Turbo Smooth and delete it. Or another way to do that, if I just undo, Control Z, another way to do that is down here there's a little bin. Remove the modifier from the stack, so I can bin Turbo Smooth. Another way to do it is if I want my mountains to be more jagged, I can go down and pick one that's next to Turbo Smooth, but this one is called Tessellate. And here where there's tension, I can lift. Oh, now see what I've done there? I put the tessellate just on one little face. No, that's not what I wanted to do at all. So just have a look. I'll go back to my editable poly and I'll use this one to select everything. I'll select everything. Then I'll go back to tessellate. And then when I start increasing the tension, you can see here in my camera view that my land is getting really, really mountainous and jagged. And I can even go now again and tessellate on top of that again, and this time I'll really get some crazy mountains and peaks going. Alright, fantastic. Have some fun, make some cool geometry, and that's the end of this tutorial.